Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we are brought on the tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your Instagram following problems. So you will simply just go to your Instagram, and if you do one particular activity again and again, then you can guess this restriction and the limitation. Try again later notification by this Instagram itself. So for example, you can simply just tap on anyone's profile and then you will go to their followings and you will just try to follow each and every one, and you doing that particular activity again and again because you follow tapping rapidly. Then you can get this try again later because you're doing that particular activity often. And the other thing that you can do is, if you haven't done any activities regularly and it just appearing out of nowhere, then you can simply take a screenshot of that particular problem. Simply go to your profile, tap on this three horizontal line over there, go to settings and tap on this help option over there, and then you can see report a problem. Disable this first, tap on this report a problem, and here you will include and continue and add in your brief, what kind of problem you're having, like simply attach that over there as well, and simply tap on the send option and you will submit your report officially. They will look into it and they will solve this problem of yours. So yeah, this is how you can simply solve your following problem in your Instagram app. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.